Stampers, Diane Dimich here with DDStamps.com, and today I'm here to talk to you about the Create With Me Stamp Club that I'm starting up. This is a monthly card club delivered directly to you. You can enjoy crafting at home with planned and prepped projects just for you. Create With Me Stamp Club is my monthly card club. It is delivered monthly for just $45, which includes shipping, and the club features one stamp set or bundle each month. So, for instance, the first kit will go out in April. So the sign-up time is March 16th to March 15th, with the kit shipping on the 25th or 27th of April. That will happen every month. This is a subscription, so you sign up and it continuously comes until you decide to cancel. In the kit that you'll get each month, you'll get approximately $22 to $25 in Stampin' Up! Product, which will include ribbon, paper, embellishments, and whatever else I come up with. Each kit will have at least 8 card kits. So there'll be 4 designs and you'll make 2 of each. And it will include envelopes. Some months will include a 3D project, but that'll be kind of an extra bonus. There'll be an instructional video walking you through the steps to finish each project, and the link will be emailed to you when the packets ship. Printable recipe cards with measurements for each project will also be emailed to you. Well, you'll get a link to a website where everything will be housed. Your kit can include optional add-ons. For instance, if there's a featured bundle, stamp sets, inks, blends, or dies and punches, those are things that you can add on to your kit in that month, and then I'll make sure that it gets shipped directly to you. There are no stamps included in the kits. Everything is just product. Well, however, you can use the stamp sets that I recommend and that I use in my projects, or you can use what you have. We all have stamp sets that we could use. For the optional add-ons, a list will be emailed to you that you can pick and choose if you want to add anything to your kit. And then every 6 consecutive month that you are subscribed, you'll get a fun goodie bag with $25 in Stampin' Up! Product as a thank you from me. If you're joining my Create for Fun club for the first time, you'll get a fun gift from me too, a welcoming gift. I'm going to show you the projects that I've prepared for my April kit. This will be the first kit that I actually put together, and you can sign up for now. So the kit's going to be using the Grow with Love stamp set and the Grow with Love dies. Oops. Which are these here. As you can see, it's a die set that coordinates with the stamp set where you cut out each of the images, and then also a frame, some banners for your sentiments, and including a circle for the Grow with Love stamp, and then also some little embellishments for the envelopes. Let me show you the projects that we'll be completing. You'll actually get enough product to make 2 cards of each design. So this is just a fun fold. I actually am putting envelopes in this time, and I use Very Vanilla paper, and I happen to have lots of Very Vanilla envelopes, which we don't carry anymore, but you'll get those with your packet too. This card using some texture and some sponging techniques. So each month we'll have techniques and different fun folds and projects ideas. I love this card. The simplicity of it, I just fell in love with. And then there's this card. This has a little gift card holder. I actually put a little card in there, but you could actually even tuck a gift card in the little envelope. This month's kit has some bonus projects, which are these cute little envelopes. So you'll have enough supplies to complete these too. I love the look of these little envelopes, and they're perfect for a gift card. But you could also go, I don't know, my library has like a seed library where I could go and get some seeds and pop them in here and give them away to people. I did want to show on this card those little embellishments in the die set, and I just tied it with a little bit of linen thread. So each month when you get your card kit, you will get a half a pack of designer series paper, and this one actually uses the Everyday Happiness paper, which is really just a really fun, it looks textured, it's fun, it's a great paper, but you'll get a half a pack of the designer series paper. You'll get a full spool of the Wild Wheat ribbon, and you'll get a full pack of the low profile dots, plus all the cardstock and envelopes. to complete your projects, including the inside pieces for your card. It's really kind of cool. I think this club is going to be a lot of fun. I'm looking forward to sharing. So there'll also be a link that I will send out to the club members at the beginning of the month so that they can actually add on what they need to add on to complete the projects as I did them. And those products will be shipped to you for free. So if you decide to order the ink pads, you will not pay the 11% shipping from Stampin' Up. That will be on me, and I will put it into your packet. So for this kit, let me show you, for instance, what we need. So I use 3 different ink pads. I use the Wild Wheat, the Lost Lagoon, and the Pretty Peacock. And so that would be an add-on. Another add-on would be the bundle, the Grow with Love stamp set and bundle, or dies as a bundle. And then I also used, on this one, I used one of our blending brushes. So that will probably be part of the add-ons too. And then the last but not least, I have an adhesive kit that I put together, which has the multi-purpose glue, the mini glue dots, the sticky strip, the dimensionals, and also a Stampin' Seal pops in there. So this is also part of the add-ons if you're interested in getting a little adhesive kit to keep with your club products. And like I said, this month's going to have a bonus, which everybody's going to get a little free gift from me. Anybody that joins club, this is what I put together today. It's just some really fun little things to use with your stamping. So I hope you join me for club. You know, you can sign up. It's like, as I said, it's a subscription, and it will come every month until you decide to cancel. And you can also sign up for 1 month just to give it a chance and see what you think. So it'll be fun. I hope you'll join me. Thanks, and have a great day.